Hello students, let us continue with chapter Arithmetic Progression. In this video, we will solve questions 4 to 12 from exercise 5.2. Which term of the AP is 78? This is the AP given. It is 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on. Okay. Here nth term is given as 78. Nth term is given as 78. Okay. We have to find what is n, which term it is. We have to find what is n. So in this AP, what is the first term? It is 3. And what is the common difference? See here, first term is 3, second term is 8, third term is 13, fourth term is 18. So common difference is second term minus first term. It is 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. We have a formula for the nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. We will substitute these values in this formula, we will get n value. Here an is 78 is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 5. It is 78 minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. You get 75 is equal to n minus 1 into 5. Okay, bring 5 to the left side. It will be 75 divided by 5. It is 15. So here n is equal to 15 plus 1. It is 16. So 16th term is 78. 16th term is 78. Next one. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. This is the AP given. It is 7, 13, 19 and so on up to 205. Here the first term is 7, second term is 13, okay, third term is 19 and here nth term is 205. So how many terms are there? How many terms are there? We have to find n. Okay, we will use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, here what is first term? First term is 7 and common difference is second term minus first term. It is 13 minus 7, it is 6. Okay, we will substitute the values. An is 205 is equal to 7 plus n minus 1 into 6. We get 205 minus 7 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. Okay, 205 minus 7 is 198 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. You bring 6 to the left side, it will be 198 divided by 6 is equal to n minus 1. 6 into 3, 6 into 33 is n minus 1. So here n is equal to 33 plus 1. It is 34. So there are 34 terms in the first arithmetic progression. Okay, we will look at the second one. What is the first term? It is 18. Second term is 15 and half. Third term is 13. Okay, first term is 18. Okay, common difference is what? A2 minus A1. It is 15 and half minus 18. 15 and half can be written as 31 by 2 minus 18. It is take LCM, 31 minus 36 divided by 2. It is minus 5 by 2. Okay, nth term is minus 47. An is minus 47. So we have to find number of terms. We have to find n value. Okay, we will use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, we will use this formula. We will substitute the values. Minus 47 is equal to 18 plus n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Okay, minus 47 minus 18 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Minus 47 minus 18 is minus 65 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Minus and minus gets cancelled. 5 into 13 is 65. So here 13 into 2 is 26 is equal to n minus 1. Here n is equal to 26 plus 1, it is 27. So there are 27 terms in the second AP. Next one. Sixth one. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP. Okay, the AP given here is 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. Here the first term is 11, and the common difference is second term minus first term. It is 8 minus 11, it is minus 3. Here we have to check, is minus 150 is a term of the AP or not. So we will assume the nth term an is equal to minus 150, and we have to find n value. Okay, if we get n as a natural number, then minus 150 is a term. If we don't get n as a natural number, if we get it in fractions, then minus 150 is not a term of the AP. So here we will use the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and we will substitute the values. We'll get an is minus 150 is equal to 11 plus n minus 1 into minus 3. We get minus 150 minus 11 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 161 is equal to n minus 1 into, bring minus 3 to the left side, it will be divided by minus 3. Minus and minus gets cancelled. 161 by 3 is 53, 2 by 3. Okay. See, n minus 1 is equal to 53, 2 by 3. So, n is equal to 53, 2 by 3 plus 1. It is 54, 2 by 3. Here n is not in natural numbers, n is in fractions. So minus 150 is not a term. Minus 150 is not a term of this AP. Okay. Next one. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. 11th term an is equal to, A11, 11th term A11 is equal to 38 and 16th term A16 is equal to 73. We have to find the 31st term. A31 is what? In 11th term is 38, n is equal to 11, and in 16th term is equal to 73, n is equal to 16. Okay, we don't know a value first term and we don't know the common difference. Okay, we will substitute the values in an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. Okay, we will substitute the values in this formula. For this 11th term, we get 11th term is equal to 38 is equal to a plus 11 minus 1 into d. It is a plus 10d is equal to 38. Okay, and in this 16th term we get 73 is equal to a plus 16 minus 1 into d. It is a plus 15d is equal to 73. Here we have two equations. We will subtract these two equations. Second equation minus first equation, we get a plus 15d is equal to 73 and a plus 10d is equal to 38. Okay, a and minus a gets cancelled, and 15d minus 10d is 5d is equal to 73 minus 38 is 35. Okay, here d is equal to 35 by 5, it is 7. We will substitute d value in the first equation. We will get 38 is equal to a plus 10 into 7. It is a plus 70 is equal to 38. So a is equal to 38 minus 70. A is equal to minus 32. Okay. Now we have to find 31st term. A31 is equal to a plus n minus 1, 31 minus 1 into 7. It is minus 32 plus 30 into 7. Minus 32 plus 210. It is 178. 31st term is 178. Next one. An AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12. So A3, third term is 12 and last term is 106. What is the last term? 50 terms are there. So 50th term A50 is equal to 106. Okay, we have to find 29th term. A29 is what? Okay, we don't know here first term, we don't know first term, and we don't know common difference. Okay, from here third term is 12, n is equal to 3, and from here 50th term is 106, n is equal to 50. We'll substitute the values in the equation. an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, here third term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. It is a plus 2d, and the 50th term 106 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. It is a plus 49d is equal to 106. Here we got two equations. Okay, we will subtract these two. Second equation minus first equation, it is a plus 49d is equal to 106 minus of a plus 2d is equal to 12. Here a minus a is 0. 49 minus 2 is 47d is equal to 106 minus 12 is 94. So here d is equal to 94 divided by 47. It is 2. So substitute d value in the first equation. You will get a plus 2 into 2 is equal to 12. A is equal to 12 minus 4. It is 8. We have to find 29th term. So a 29 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. A is 8 plus n is 29 minus 1 into d is 2. It is 8 plus 28 into 2. It is 8 plus 56. It is 64. So 29th term is 64. Next one, 9th one. If the third and 9th terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8. Here third term A3 is equal to 4 and the 9th term A9 is equal to minus 8. Okay, which term of this AP is 0? We have to find which term of this AP is 0. So some term of this AP is 0, we will assume an is equal to 0. Nth term is 0 and we have to find n value, which term. Okay, from these two terms we will find out the equations. Okay, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, and from this one, this term, n is equal to 3. Third term is 4. So we will write this. Third term is equal to a plus 3 minus 1 into d. It is a plus 2d is equal to 4. Okay, and from this one we will write 9th term minus 8 is equal to a plus 9 minus 1 into d. Minus 8 is equal to a plus 8d. This is first equation, this is second equation. We will subtract these two. We will get a plus 8d is equal to minus 8. A plus 2d is equal to 4. Subtract these two, you will get a and minus a gets cancelled. 8 minus 2 is 6. D is equal to minus 8 minus 4 is minus 12. So d is equal to minus 2. We will substitute d value in the first equation. We will get 4 is equal to a plus 2 into minus 2. 4 is equal to a minus 4. We will get a is equal to 8. Okay, and now we will take nth term is 0 and we have to find which term it is. Okay, an is equal to 0. We have 0 is equal to nth term is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Bring 8 to the left side, it will be minus 8 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 2. Okay, bring minus 2 to the left side, it will be minus 8 divided by minus 2 is equal to n minus 1. Minus and minus gets cancelled. So 4 is equal to n minus 1. N is equal to 4 plus 1, it is 5. So fifth term is 0. Okay, next one. 10th one, if 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. So 17th term A17 exceeds, that means 17th term is bigger, okay, exceeds its 10th term A10 by 7. So 17th term is greater than 10th term by 7. Okay, from these two terms we will write the equation. Here n is 17, A plus 17 minus 1 into D, okay, minus A plus 10 minus 1 into D is equal to 7. Here A plus 16D minus A plus 9D is equal to 7. We get A plus 16D minus A minus 9D is equal to 7. A and minus A gets cancelled. We get 16D minus 9D is 7D is equal to 7. Here we get D is equal to 1. Common difference is 1. Okay, we have to find the common difference. It is 1. Next one. 11th one. Which term of the AP will be 132 more than 54th term? We will write the AP here. It is 3, 15, 27, 39. Here first term is 3 and common difference is second term minus first term. It is 15 minus 3. It is 12. Okay. Which term? Okay, let us assume it is nth term. Nth term will be 132 more than 54th term. 132 more than A54. Okay, so some number is 132 more than 54th term. So we have to find which term it is. We have to find what is the term, n value. Okay, here we should not find what term it is. We should not find an. We should find n. Which term it is? We have to find n. So here A54 is what? Okay, we will substitute the values in this equation. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay, here A54 is A plus n minus 1. 54 minus 1 into 12. It is 3 plus 53 into 12. It is 3 plus 53 into 12. 53 into 12 is what? It is 3 into 2, 6, 5 2s are 10 plus 3, 13, 1, 5 plus 1, 6. It is 636. It is 639. So 54th term is 639. So we will substitute the values in this one. In this one we will get an is equal to 132 plus 639. Okay, it is 771. We have to find n value here. We have to find n value. Okay, we will substitute the values in this equation. An is equal to 771 is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 12. It is 771 minus 3 is 768 is equal to n minus 1. Okay, if you bring 12 to the left side, it will be divided by 12. It will be 12 into 6 is 72, 12 into 4 is 48. So here n is equal to 64 plus 1, it is 65. So 65th term is 132 more than 54th term. Okay, next one. Two APs have the same common difference. Okay, here two APs, first AP and second AP. Okay, common difference is same. D is same in two APs. Okay, the difference between their 100th terms is 100. Okay, what is the difference between their 1000th term? So in the first AP we will assume the first term is A and the second term is what? First term plus common difference. Okay, the third term is A, the second term plus common difference, A plus 2D. The fourth term is third term plus common difference. Okay, this goes on. In the second AP we will assume the first term as X. The second term will be first term plus common difference. The third term will be second term plus common difference. Okay, the fourth term will be third term plus common difference. Okay, this goes on. Okay, So it is told the difference between that 100th term. So in the first AP, 100th term is what? A100 is what? Okay. So here n is 100. So we will substitute in the equation. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. We get 100th term. A100 is equal to first term plus 100 minus 1 into d. It is a plus 99d. Okay. And what is the 100th term of the second AP? Okay. What is the 100th term of the second AP? Here n is 100, and if you substitute the values in the equation, we get A100, 100th term is equal to first term is what? X plus 100 minus 1 into d. It is x plus 99d. Okay. So this is the first equation and this is the second equation. It is told the difference between their 100th term. So difference between these two equations. Difference between these two equations, it is 100. Okay. So a plus 99d minus x plus 99d is equal to 100. Okay. Here a plus 99d minus x minus 99d is equal to 100. Plus 99d minus 99d gets cancelled. Here you get a minus x is equal to 100. Here the difference between the first terms is 100. Okay. Now we have to find the difference between the 100th term, 1000th term. Okay. Difference between the 1000th term. Okay. Now here, what is the 1000th term? It is a plus n minus 1. N is 1000 minus 1 into d. It is a plus 999d. And what is the 1000th term of the second AP? It is first term plus 1000 minus 1 into d. It is x plus 999d. Okay. If we have to find the difference between these two terms, we have to subtract them. Okay. If we subtract a plus 999d minus x plus 999d, it is a plus 999d minus x minus 999d. This and this gets cancelled. We get a minus x. So the answer is a minus x. Here we got the value of a minus x as 100. So the answer is 100 itself. Okay. The difference between the 1000th term is 100. That's it. We end this session here. We will continue with the next questions in the next video. Thank you.